Welcome back to surf launching Southern Africa, in fact, because this is now in Mozambique, Pomene it's called, and it's not even boats. These are kayaks used to paddle out these mabunos baits that they don't have to cast or by drones. Can you hear them? The birdies. Wow. Damn, the sun beat me. Some fish there. Bom dia, amigos! Danger fish! Oh, they caught one on a hand line. These guys don't need drones in Mozambique. They got kayaks. So this guy's got his torium rigged up with loads of line, and this dude's gonna paddle his baits out for him through the surf. Baits on. These guys have both got a bait. Even got the girls here, whole setup, spectators, instant fishing crowd. The local as can't believe it. That's my big friend Gummy, sponsored by Gummy Lures and Mado, of course. Grabbing the grapnel, sticking them into the trace, and he's got the family colonials. He's going to take their bait out to sea. Okay, they told the guy to stop, and he's dropping his bait a solid 200 meters out to sea. There's no reef or anything there, but it's the hot spot, that's for sure. Gummy, he's checking for his own break. He doesn't trust his mate. You can tell him to go, there's a bit of a break. There goes Gummy, 2 horsepower. He's a monster, this guy. He can paddle that thing fast, bro. These guys are shouting for the other guy to stop. He's gone even further with the second bait. That could be 250 or 350 yards out to sea. Nobody needs a drone. Just need some paddle power. I'll update you shortly. Fast. So this is where the trick works, eh? Lucky it's a local guy. He also managed to get his line out there, and he's striking like crazy. The nice old rod and reel. All happening over here. The one turned into a shark, the other one's got a tangle, and this dude is up the rocks to keep the line off the rocks. The Mabora is shouting at everybody as usual. This is trying his hardest. And that hasn't stopped since we started. The guy's not stopped. The other guy's got a cruiser on. We reckon this is Sarah. I spoke to him this morning. He reckons he gets him all the time. Still cute on the go, yeah. That's what I've been trying to catch the whole time, but I can't cast as far as these guys plastic pedaling drones can go. Hey, but rad, what a nice little fish. These guys are absolute professional. But the fish has turned here into the rocks. Now it's going to turn its head the other way. It's going the wrong way. But you can see the fish down there in that foamy. Turn its head, buddy. Here's the fish right here. You need a gaff. Got a gaff. Waves are coming. Get that gaff. Oh, it's a springer. It's a huge springer. Flippin' hell. Oh. That's a big springer, hey. Jeez. There you go. My goodness. Yeah. Please don't forget, like and subscribe, and see you at the next surf launch.